So this is the Great Outdoors Cafe and Bar. You can see the buffet off to the right, bar area here. This is a really nice area. It's got shades, so even on a day that might be a little bit warm, you can sit out there and enjoy it. It's sheltered from the rain as well. So we ate out there. When we ate on the buffet at all, we would typically sit out in the Great Outdoors. It looks out over the wake, just an amazing place. We're getting ready to walk into the local. And this is let's call it the late night food source. They had great chicken wings. They have a bar in here. This was about 5 in the morning. It's not real busy, but it's open. And this was where if you wanted food in the middle of the night, you could come in here and get it. As we're coming up here on the end of the local, we're going to take a jog out into the hall. You'll see a couple of things that are closed, but you'll at least know where they are. That sign said not to go down this way, but I decided I could ignore the sign. Anyway, this is the Entourage Teen Club off to the left. And then this is the entrance to La Cucina, which is a specialty restaurant on Norwegian Cruise Line ships. It is one that you do have to pay for. If you like Italian food, it has some good selections and good choices there. We're going to come out of here and we're going to head back over to the left. And we're actually going to go into the Garden Cafe, which is the name that NCL uses for their buffet. We're going to enter from this area right here by the elevator. And in fact, I was kind of deciding if I was going to stay on this deck or not, but we're going to go down. We're going to go up here and make a left turn. Off to the right is the seating area, and the door at the end to the right would lead you back out to the Great Outdoors. But there's pretty good seating there. There's probably 100 seats in that area that are set up pretty much like this is here. Nice windows. It's a great place that if you wanted to eat on the buffet. And we didn't eat on the buffet a lot. We would come up and get, they had cold soups in the afternoon, and sometimes we'd have breakfast up here if we slept a little bit late and didn't go down for the main dining room. But a nice flow in the buffet. You didn't really get a chance to see a lot of it, but there's a really good pattern to circulation through it. It's easy with the islands to get to food and not be running into each other as much as you do on other ships. There's the ice cream area right there. And then we're going to head out onto the pool deck. As we go out on the pool deck, again, it's really early in the morning. They've been washing stuff down and getting stuff cleaned up and ready for the next day's activity. We're going to pass, there's a bar right there we just passed on the pool deck. And what we have is we have a pool, and we have a collection of 4 hot tubs, and then we have another pool coming up. I tend to film at night when there's not much, or very early in the morning, probably more likely, when there's not a lot of people out here, just so that I don't wind up with people in pictures that might at some point in time down the road be upset that they showed up on film. As we go up here a little bit farther, we're going to go into the elevator area. This is the top of the atrium elevators, and the shaft is open. In fact, you can look over the edge and see all the way down to deck 5. It provides a lot of natural light. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy, please go ahead and hit the like and the subscribe buttons. We've got a lot more videos coming up. You're really going to enjoy them. We'll see you next time.